Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to show the data from database like a list. For example, in here is the customer list from DB. And you will also learn how to create model. Actually we learned already about how to create models and some example, and second how to make controller and you feed data from database table and show data on HTML page. Okay, so now let's go together. Okay, here is my project, and now I start to create one view is so new, so we can put the name list.let.php. Okay, so some data. What is this? Is customer list. Okay, so I create one route for this. We go to route web.php, route URL name is list and page name is list. Okay, yes, let's test it. So we can write list. It's work. So now design the one table to show the data, like tables. In the table you can put tr, close tr, and td, close td. So copy in here. Sorry. First one is ID, and here is name, gender, address. Okay, and now we create one models for connecting to the database, and let me check my database. Here's inventory, and the table name is customers. So the customer is, the table is plural, so we need to create the model. We need to create the model as a singular. So php artisan make model. So the model is customer. Okay, so here is connect, automatically connect to the table name customer here. Okay, actually if in here it's not plural, you can connect it also by mention the table name here. Okay, so let's go. Now I create one controller. Artisan makes controller. So my controller is customer controller. We go to customer here, controller, customer controller, and we write one function show, and we return. So we return, I need to import the model names. So f/model/ your model name is customer, and here return customer. Or let me test it. So go to create one route for this function. We go to web.php route get. The URL is list and also here's the function name. Okay, sorry, here we put the controller. So the controller is customer controller class, and you pick the function here. Okay, don't forget import the controller in route. Use app slash http slash so slash controller slash customer controller. That's good. Now I delete this point and let me test into it. Okay, you see all the data from the table here, the table customer. So now I prepare it as a list. So let me go to here's our, we need to write the variable data equal customers all here's, and we need to return redirect. Okay, so we might say we return mu. Okay, and here is the view name. So sorry, here is the route. So let me the route is list, and here is the key, so customer and equal data like this. Okay, let me test it. Okay, so let me go to list and design something here. So I need to loop the record, so I use for each, and for each the variable customer, it is came from here in this, and when we pass it in here we need as a variable like this, and you can write like this because so I pass here, and you can write like this. So cause you put the key is ID. So let me copy the same way. Here is name, here is gender, here is address. So you can, the key in here you can check like, let me save it. The key you can check in here is here, the column name here, ID, name, gender, address. So that's correct. Let me refresh it again. Okay, that's fine. So now I want to put it the border style. So let this, so we put the border like this. The border is for 1 and refresh it. Okay, that's fine. So you can add more design on this, and you can add CF or something bootstrap, so you can design more beautiful big. And in this video we not focus on designing just. So thank you for watching.